So I'm actually in my new studio. So if you're following me for over my last, year of a journey, I mainly recorded from my bedroom. Like that's literally the reality. Like, and most of our as YouTubers start like that. And I decided to make it myself literally a room, which will be a YouTube studio only. And this is something which for me was like, very exciting to create myself a space that I can actually feel comfortable while, working, chilling, having a bit of a break, and also having multiple sets to record. And it's still a work in progress, but I'm gonna show you today my studio. So yeah, let's check it out. And obviously, I'm gonna take the camera with me, let's do that. This will be my main set. So this is actually the set with the wooden panels, so you can actually see how they look. Like it's literally a set nicely done with my main desk attached right here and some over option to record from the top, as you can see on some of my videos, and obviously the lighting itself. Then we can move to a little bit of a chilling area, which will also be the second background for some of the videos, which is already done. So this will be my second set where I actually can show you some of the other stuff, just chillax with you and enjoy the a conversation. This is something which I wanted, and I think it's just so exciting to actually have in the office. I know it's a little bit different vibe of the video this time, but I hope you're gonna enjoy it. And obviously, like, I'm gonna showcase you some stuff. So for example, my new DJI which I recently got. So with that, it's another set of building and bringing stuff to the table and creating more sets, background sets to work with to make videos for you even more interesting. But that's not the end. Let me show you one more. Okay, I'll be honest with you, it won't be one more, it will be two more. So, as you see, this is my set with the couch. So I have a couch right here, and it does allow me to kind of work and have a nice setup, which is kind of interesting enough, and makes it nice and cozy. And I can also chill here, so that's nice. But I also have this now. So this is my main workstation, and the case is that I actually got inspired by Think Media. One of the creators there created their own kind of like a black wall, and I was like, this is just so cool, I want it. So this is my setup right now, which is my laptop on a stand and dual monitor with some mic on and some lighting. And we're definitely not looking at my cable management because it is not there yet. And the last thing which connects to kind of all is the vibe which I always liked. So I'm often very inspired by the Asian kind of culture, so that's why I decided to put some Japanese beautiful sighting, which also works as my kind of like a soundproof because it's material, it's wooden, everything wooden. You put on this, it will also help with that. And it's my small coffee station, which it's making my daily coffee. Like, this is my machine, which I absolutely adore. So this is it from me. I hope you enjoyed the different kind of video than normal. And yeah, thanks for watching, following. I love that all of you are kind of supporting me in my journey. And if you haven't followed yet, if you haven't supported my journey yet, if you haven't subscribed, just do it right now. And if you want to see the setup which I did, how I do it with the setups of the backgrounds, why I did some of the things, I decided to record a separate video about it, so yeah, check it out.